So, we went to stay at La Palguera, but they had streets closed. Like, it was dark because we left after we went to see, you know, my uncle, and it kind of, they got away from us. So, had to find a gas station, which we did, which is right here. And now, I think we're gonna drive back to where we were yesterday. All right, gonna hit the road. Someone's still sleeping back there.
Oh, there's Adrian up there. Driving. Wave your hand.
And then we're gonna make our way up to that waterfall. It doesn't open till 9, so this gives us enough time to...
You don't need me up there directing you?
No.
I think he wants me to stay back here.
Yeah, because you're a back bed driver.
So, y'all hear how he treats me? He says I'm a back bed driver. That's not nice.
Good. It's a nice day. Gonna be a nice day today.
How far does this road go?
Here, let's take a break.
Oh my God, no. Oh.
Let's take a break. There's a roadside stop, and they sell the fried stuff, lechon asado. Come on, let's take a little break. Come on, baby. You can take a break. We're gonna take a little break so she can chill for a minute or whatever, and then go from there. Punto medio. Bien, barra. Sí. Aquí estamos Lares, this is Lares. This is a typical place, hang out.
So we are here. Gozalida waterfalls, look. Oh my gosh. Oh, if I survive this trip with my nerves intact, it will be, guys, because look at these. Oh my gosh, Adrian, are we gonna make it up there? Adrian, ay Señor, Dios mío, Dios mío, Dios mío, Dios mío. Oof. Oh my God, help me, Lord, baby Jesus, sweet Jesus.
Guess we gotta pay $10.
Okay, well, you got money.
Es lejos.
No es tan lejos. Va a haber un sign que dice waterfalls en aquella dirección. Pasas por ahí. Izquierda es la primera, te queda 2 minutos.
Okay.
Derecha es la segunda, esa te queda como de 7 a 10 minutos.
Okay. Está mal.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Going down is always the easy part.
Well, I made it down those stairs.
Yep, so the waterfall is over there. So,
Whew,
check it out.
I'm getting in the water. I don't care what.
Okay.
It's cold.
Go get in.
I'm gonna get in and I'm gonna come out so you can get in.
Okay. So how's the water?
It was cold at first, but it's nice. Very nice.
So there's one of two waterfalls. The other one is a little further down.
Really?
Yeah.
You want to go here?
We'll see.
Hey, I came down all the way those stairs. That's the first stop.
Going up is the second.
I don't think going up, I'll have to stop a few times. I don't think going up is going to be that bad.
No. Yeah, I feel more in shape since I've been here.
Yeah, well,
I don't get as winded.
I think I'm going to work towards my goal is to do that the next time we come.
The jump.
Jump.
Okay.
That's going to be my goal.
Water's cold.
I know
But
the
it's
water
nice
is
cold.
cold.
It's
It's
hot
very
out.
nice. Yep.
So, yeah, there's definitely I'll definitely gotta check out place. You guys make it to Puerto
It's
Rico.
$10 to park, and that's it.
There's
You
a
don't pay.
restaurant.
You don't pay
Get a
anything.
beer.
Yep.
I think we get a nice cold beer after this.
Yep.
So,
And then we're gonna go check into where we're staying for the night.
what kind of? It's on the Ford Econoline. So it's
So show the outside when you
It's
while
not
you
bad.
go walk out. He's gonna show
Yeah.
you. Well, the beach is a little bit further, but he's gonna show you this little pond. He's gonna walk you guys over there and show you
so. Let's go back to this view.
where we're staying at and show you. It's a really small, like little space, but it's a cute little parking space. And it's only like what? How much was it?
$50,
50. That's it.
but which is kind of expensive. But
Well,
hopefully I don't lose you there because this is my internet.
He's used to getting free. See, because all the beaches here, most of them, I would say 75% of the beaches
So
here
here's
in Puerto Rico are free. You can camp for free, and they're beautiful. There's one by the lighthouse. There's almost, in every town. But he's got
so here you go, Mark.
spoiled. He
Hold
got
on,
a little
Ruth.
bit spoiled. So,
So here you go, Mark.
because we wanted to be close to where we picked up the van.
So that's what it looks like, Mark. Kind of line. And I think we're going to be the only ones here tonight.
So it's just a little like parking.
So
Yes.
those guys were in that travel trailer. They're leaving.
Interesting thing is,
And
you
then
see that little building over there? It's just like wood, no roof, or nothing on the bottom. That's the shower. There's a shower, and then there's another toilet.
So this campground has a shower and a bathroom. And yes, this is the bathroom. Pretty clean. It's got a little seating area, some cool little lights at night. Here's the shower. It's just literally a place to get wet and wash yourself. There's the van. It's pretty much a parking lot, but it works.
And I was like, Adrian, are you going to use the toilet there? He's like, I'm not using the toilet where they can see my feet and see what I'm doing. I was like,
So here's
yes,
your beach
free.
access. All right, so here's the beach access, and I think it's a little bit of a walk. So I'm not gonna take you down because we'll lose signal because my phone is the hotspot. So hopefully Ruth doesn't lose it. There's a little pond here. Check out those turtles. There's tons of them. Holy crap! I can't believe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 turtles. But it's not a bad little place. I don't know if I lost you guys because I don't hear Ruth. Ruth, are you there? Oh, there you go. Are you back?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I went too far. All right. Time for the last breakfast. You ready for the last breakfast?
Yeah.
So this is what we got going on. Making some bacon, making Ruth some coffee, and I'm gonna make some eggs.
Almost done with breakfast. It is 9:39. We have to return the van in hour and a half. Has to be there by 11. They're only 10 minutes from here, but it's kind of sad. Pretty much ready. We're just, Adrian's making breakfast for us, and I'm drinking some coffee here. It has been amazing. I think 2 days more would have been like perfect, because you really can't count the first day when you pick up the van. Even though that first day we stayed at a beautiful place, we can't count the second day. But you know what? I would and we can't count this day but I would say this is a hidden gem, and when you see our video, you'll see why. Because it's a parking lot, but the beach is everything. And if you can come here on an off season, it's even better, because you would have the beach all to yourself like we did this morning. Right, Adrian?
Yep. Well,
I don't want to leave.
it's been fun. I mean, that view, the air you feel, like, it's awesome. Awesome. But we still have the day, and we're gonna go see San Juan, and we'll be back at that hotel, dipping in the pool. So it'll be a little bit of different things, but it'll be fun, right?
I'm really sad, guys. I'm really sad to go.
Yeah.
But
We'll be back.
so I'm here with my best friend Madeline. She's taking us through Arecibo. So on the way to the airport, look how pretty.
That's where you stand up to take pictures.
Oh yeah. So pretty.
Well, here we are again in the same room, literally.
We requested it.
Yeah.
Because we love it.
I mean, it's got 2 king-size
beds.
beds, and don't mind the mess. We're trying to repack.
Adrian can have a bed, I can have a bed, but I got my pool right up front.
Yep. So, where are we going?
I don't know. We're going to find something to eat.
And we're gonna check out San Juan since we're here. Might as well. And we're gonna take you along because this is the last day of Puerto Rico.
Yep.
We just got our food. Check this out. So I got the carne frita, which I got gypped, I think.
Adrian's.
Because look at her. And then we got totones.
I am throwing down.
All right, progress. Ruth is still working on it.
I am, man. It's as big as my head, man, dude. And there's my rice to Adrian because
Which I will enjoy. Those beans, though, holy crap.
go home.
RAICE, which means roots. If you guys are in San Juan, old San Juan, Puerto Rico, come check this out because it's, I mean, look at the food. It's awesome. It's a cool place, you know. There's a cruise in town, so I lot of Americanos are here. Well, the roads are still the same, old school way.
Yep. Paved. Look, show the paved roads.
Yep.
Kind of reminds me of Ybor City.
A lot of restaurants. So Navy, French Navy ship over there. And then the cruise liners over there. This is one of Starbucks.
Oh my gosh. Don't tell me.
I don't know in Mojo.
So we are beat. We had to be up and out at the Uber by 1 o'clock. So of course we had to wake up at midnight.
12:30-ish.
Didn't go
Yeah.
to bed till 10.
Yep, got a couple hours sleep. Alright, good night.
Good morning.
Whatever it is, where you may be.
Hasta la próxima.
Until the next time.